How to develop film using the Bushwick Community Darkroom Wineol kits. In each kit, you will receive step-by-step instructions, a resource list for items not included in the kit, and pre-measured vitamin C and washing soda packets. Our first step is to get 500 milliliters of wine into a beaker. Next, we are going to pour in our vitamin C and washing soda packets and stir until fully dissolved. Our developer should measure out to be around 68 degrees. Ours was a little too warm, so we cooled it using an ice bath. Now that we are at 68 degrees and our developer is ready, we can get our stop bath and fixer ready. To begin developing, we want to pour our wine mixture into our tank and agitate for 1 minute. Then we will only need to agitate for 10 seconds every minute. The full developing time is 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, we can pour out our developer and pour in our stop bath. We will agitate that for a minute, and once that is done, we will pour it out and add in our fixer for 5 minutes. Once the fixer is done, we can pour that out and begin our washing process. We want to rinse in running water for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, we can take our film out of our reel and hang it up to dry. After about 25 minutes, your film should be completely dry and ready for you to view and scan.